Well, let's go live to Delhi now. And Rakesh Agarwal, who is secretary of the rickshaw charity Nyabhoomi, he was in the court building for a hearing when the bomb went off. Welcome to the Hub. You are a frequent visitor to court by the nature of your work for your association. What was your impression of security each time you've been there?
Well, I didn't think the security was adequate enough, which is why on 25th of July, I wrote a letter to the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court requesting him for the enhancement of the security and giving some advice, certain suggestions, and also making suggestions as to how to improve the issue of entry passes for the visitors. That letter was never replied to. One of my suggestions was to capture the photographs and the biometric information of every visitor. This would have not only reduced the crowd at the gates, which would have meant that it would not have been an attractive enough location for the terrorists, but it would have also reduced the chances of it would have reduced the number of casualties and the injured.
One senior police officer at the scene today, Mr. Agarwal, said very clearly this is strongly protected by police, this High Court building.
That is not correct. Just about anybody could enter the Delhi High Court without so much as frisking.
So what do you believe should have been done? You've mentioned one device. For example, this is a court of justice. Was there any closed-circuit television monitoring devices?
No, there were no closed-circuit televisions at the spot where the bomb was exploded. So there should have been CCTV cameras, and there should have been photographs and biometric information captured of every visitor, every person entering the court premises in view of the heightened alert on the kind of situation that the country is passing through.
You were actually in the court building when the bomb went off. What do you recall of what happened?
That's right. I left the spot where the bomb actually was exploded 4 minutes before the actual explosion took place. I was in the lift when I heard a very loud explosion. Almost the entire building shook up. And but I reached the spot about 20-25 minutes later, and I could see the handbags, the mobile phones strewn around, some of the people who were injured running around without anybody to guide them.
Rakesh Agarwal, thank you very much indeed for sparing time to join us in the BBC Delhi Bureau, the secretary of the rickshaw charity Nyabhoomi in India. Thank you.